오케이. 응?
You know how to change gears?
녹화되는 거지?
Push the button. Push this side button in. I've already
네.
said. Okay, so yeah, so now you can go a little faster now. Alright, let's tighten up as much as you go here. Or you're gonna get right here. Click. Click. Alright, so you want it tight? Yeah. Hang on, you're crushing my hand, buddy. Tell me where that line is.
이건 형은 맞았죠?
나한테 아까 괜찮았어요? 딱 컵쇼가 했었는데.
다시 해봐. 아니 근데
아니, 저기-
넌 하는 게 지금 짧아서. 아니 이거 놓칠 수가 없어 형.
조금만 더 버텨봐.
지금 이건 놓칠 수가 없어.
You gotta crank, buddy. You gotta crank. The only way to get him in is to crank. So keep pressure on him.
얘는 이렇게 바짝 대는
불알 터진다.
It needs to come looser. Looser? Okay. Make sure it's good and snug.
그러니까 이것 때문에.
Now the plate goes on the same way. There should be some rings for the plate. Same one, right? Hang on, wait. All right, suck in. Suck in. Take a deep breath. All right, there you go. Yeah. Suck in better.
좀 올리는 게 나을 것 같아.
올려. Is that better? Yeah. Turn it this way some. So, hang on. Yeah, that's like that. All right, that's a good horse. Push it in gear, push it in gear. Have we hit there? Oh yeah.
Now is we cutting. Maybe it's 40 minutes.
40 minutes. We gotta keep good pressure and keep them coming up. Keep coming up, keep coming up. Right, stay off a little bit. Here we go. What, the gear? 40 minutes till like Yeah. Okay, yeah, like that tight as you can. Keep it on that line also. Alright, he comes back when the first minutes run again. One more time. Hey. Keep off that back corner. Where's that leader, Mike? Where was that leader? What? Yeah. Leader! All right. Up. I didn't think y'all were that close. Nah, I seen the jellyfish coming up. I thought it was a leader. He's not far from it, though. He's coming in quick now. Gain, or? Hey, stand back with the motors. Flashlight. Where's the flashlight at, guys? Let's see it. See it.
아까 내가 프레시 줬잖아.
Short, guys. Short? Yeah. Oh my God, that is it.
우!
Swordfish!
셀피쉬!
Yeah! Swordfish! Get on the jet! Yeah! the other gaff. Get the other gaff.
Get the other
Get the other gaff. Right here. It's hanging right there. Holy
Wow!
shit!
You want to come up through here?
Yeah! Turn the camera. Turn the camera on.
Turn the camera.
A
Turn the camera.
swordfish on the
Camera,
troll,
camera.
right? Woo! All right. Get a tail rope on him.
Give me that tail rope.
Somebody else grab this gaff and get a tail rope on him.
Here, someone here, someone get the rope.
This is like a 200 Holy shit!
You think 200?
Yeah, for sure. All right. You have to make a loop on the end. Somebody else just grab this thing for me. I got it. Grab this thing. Grab this thing. Hold it.
Heavier than small, bigger.
Yeah, he stayed
Yeah.
down like 1,000 feet all day. I mean, it's different kind of swordfish. No. This is swordfish. Barbell swordfish.
Oh, not a modern.
No, not a mark.
야, 형.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
앞에 코 조심하세요.
Popping so cherries. Oh, that's a swordfish. All right, come on. No. Move this.
저 좀 잡아줘.
Move that forward for me. All right, take off that swivel. Unsnap this swivel. Get this rod out of the way. That is a swordfish. I got that. Unsnap it. Get the rod out of the way. Can you get it?
Line, give me a line a little bit. Line joint.
Open the bill.
됐어요?
Holy shit, guys. All right, just move that rod out of the way. You guys want
Move
to
it.
lift the board?
Yeah, we'll do it. One.
I need somebody to help.
Somebody help him over there.
I'm going.
Somebody have it. All right, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Jesus Christ!
Yow! Yow!
Watch.
Holy shit!
That is a swordfish, guys.
Somebody give me a big towel. I gotta wrap this up.
Okay, he's eye.
뭐
A big towel.
타월 있어. 여기.
Maybe.
Right here.
Are you guys gonna keep the sword? Because if not, I want it.
요걸 같이 넣으면 사진도 같이